Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support. In this video, we're gonna see the cheapest way to set up chin mount for your helmet at just 30 bucks. It's one of the best solution for curved and off-road helmets. Kindly watch the video completely, and if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Some of the most popular videos that you see in YouTube would recommend you to do a chin mount using M-Seal and Araldite. But this method also has some drawbacks. It kind of gives you an ugly look to your helmet, and once fixed, it stays permanently. In case you need to change the mount, it's very difficult to remove and also damages your helmet. And another way is using the chin mount belt, but if you are using it, you will not be able to close your helmet completely, and during the race the water would enter your helmet and it will eventually become wet. So I decided to put a small hole in the helmet, and in case if it doesn't work, you can easily cover it with some black stickers. You can do it by using a drill machine, or you can do it at any hardware shop. I prefer to do it in a hardware shop, and it just costed me 20 bucks. Caution, make sure you remove the inners of the helmet in advance. As you can see, this is how I made it set up. Next, I bought a cycle screw, washer and a bolt for 10 bucks at the nearest hardware and fixed it with the mount. The screw in the front, washer and the bolt behind the mount. Tight the bolt as firm as possible and make sure you cut the excess screw from the behind for safety reasons. It's too strong and holds the mount very firmly even with some decent weight on it. So this is how my helmet looks after setting up my action cam. You can also use it for mounting your mobile phone as well. Here are some of my sample footage. So the entire setup costed me just 30 rupees. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, stay tuned.